Chelsea here at the all-weather at-home showroom. Chuck, can you walk us through the process of a window or a door renovation? How does this work?
Yeah, absolutely. Come visit us at any of our showrooms or give us a call. We'll have one of our experts meet you in-home and give you a free in-home consultation, no pressure. Really what we want to do is find the right solution together for you.
Now, you can customize windows, right? Because you manufacture them here, you're building someone exactly what they need, right?
Absolutely. They are custom built at our plant in Edmonton. We ship it throughout the province, no problem. And really, it's meant to be the right comfort for you.
So what do customers say after they've gone through a renovation process? They've got new windows, new doors. What's the feedback?
They wish they would have done this sooner. In fact, a lot of times we hear them say it's warmer, it's quieter, they love the curb appeal and how brand new the house looks now. So it's actually a win-win.
Yeah, it really helps you protect the value of your home and your investment.
Absolutely.
We'll find out more at either of their showrooms or, of course, online at allweatherathome.ca.